we're putting two different priced Amazon FBA sources against each other. So today we're going to be using the website Fiverr to find a $10 Amazon product sourcer and also a $50 Amazon product sourcer, and just see how we get on. To see how we get on with the different prices, what they can offer us for that price, and whether it's actually worth using services like this to find your Amazon FBA deals. So we have done a similar video before, which we'll link just up here, but in that video we just compared against different sources at the same price. So this time it is just to show you what you can get at your different price points, because not everybody is going to be able to afford spending $50 on deals where they probably can spend $10. So let's get into it, and we're going to try and find some people to find our deals. Okay, so here I am on the website Fiverr, and I'm just going to start off by stating what I want. So we want arbitrage deals, and we're looking in the UK today, but it's interchangeable whether we're in the UK, the US, Canada, wherever it may be, you can use it. So we want FBA arbitrage deals UK, so let's search that. Okay, so we've got loads of different options here, so now I'm just going to spend some time looking through them to try and find the best ones possible at the $10 price point and at the $50 price point. We won't talk you through this bit, we'll speed it up, so Dan, please speed this up for us. Okay, so we've now found the two people we're going to order from. A lot of them are a load of junk, and it's really hard to sort of weed out the good ones. Really, the more you pay, the more deals you get. There didn't really seem to be any service which offered more premium deals for paying more money. So what we've done is we found one seller who's charging us $10 for one lead, and then another seller who's charging us $70 for 12 leads. So let's see who these people are. So this was the listing we found for the $10 lead. So one Amazon online arbitrage product, $10. Quite pricey, but we thought we'd give it a go. So the product criteria they're offering us is a minimum return on investment of 30%, a minimum profit of $3, no Amazon, no brand, monthly sales aren't less than 70, there's a good sales rank, and there's not too many FBA sellers. So that's everything we look for. So we're happy to take a punt on this one. So let's get it ordered. Now the next one for the 12 deals is from this seller here. So I will find and source online arbitrage products. They had 5 reviews, so decent reviews. Now let's run through what they are going to give us. So we've got not to target any product that's too saturated with FBA offers, always a good sign. High sales, no Amazon or brand on the listing, no IP complaint, private label complaint, hazmat or dangerous goods indication, and they are ungated as well. So that's obviously a bonus for us. So we're happy with these ones. These ones are $70. Let's get these ones ordered as well. Okay, so both of these are now ordered. We're going to come back to this video in about a week's time to see how we do get on. So we now have our deals back. So we're going to run through how these sources actually got on for us. So first up, we're going to go through the $10 deals. So on the screen here, this is the spreadsheet we were sent. So there was one deal on this product. So it doesn't actually tell us the name of the product at the moment, it just says Gedis, I think it is. Let's have a look. By the looks, it's from TK Maxx. So this is the product on TK Maxx. So it's a pink fairy doll for £9.99. This is the Amazon listing. So it looks like the same product, so that's all great. It is selling for a lot more on Amazon, so it doesn't look too bad at all, actually. Only one left in stock. Not ideal. So we spent $10 and we can only buy one of them. So not ideal, but let's forget that and let's actually just have a look at the data to see if it's a good deal or not. So now we'll check it on Amazon and we can see it's actually selling on Amazon for £18.85. Definitely not ideal, but we have worked out what they've done wrong is that if you're not logged into a Prime account, like we're not here, the price is £44.51. This is the cheapest FBM seller, but if you log into a Prime account, it's actually being sold for £18.85. There still might be a little bit of profit in it, so let's have a quick look. Not too bad sales, 15 to 29 a month, not crazy. We'll have a look at how many sellers are to decide whether that's worth going for. 39 reviews, so the return on investment, if we were buying it at £9.99 and it was actually being sold for £18.85 is the true price, not $51 like it says here. Our return on investment of 35%, we'd accept that usually. Profit per unit £3.47, not too bad at all. The big downside, 18 FBA sellers. This is meant to be an order with not too many sellers, so that's not too good. Price graph looks decent, to be fair, nice and stable. It's obviously not been sold. It wasn't sold for a little while. Just here, it doesn't look like Amazon have ever been on this listing either. So overall, it's not too bad of a deal, other than the fact there's 18 FBA sellers, which is way too many for us. So we loaded up the stock data. It doesn't actually look like the other sellers have that much in stock. We're having a look at the first 10 sellers of this listing. So it's not too bad, being honest. Obviously, we can only buy one of them anyway. There is a lot of other FBA sellers, so there is a chance that the price could go a lot lower. Would we buy this one? Probably not, being honest. Is it worth $10 for this one product? Definitely not. So now into the more expensive deal. We were meant to get 12 deals, I thought. We've actually only got 11. That's not the best start. It also shows us the export date. And some of these are a little bit old, so a few days old. And obviously, anyone who's doing Amazon FBA will know that the internet is a fast-paced world, and these can change very quickly. So whether they'll be any good, who knows? Let's have a look through them all. So they're saying we can buy it for £11. It's selling on Amazon for £21. So let's have a look. So we can buy it for £11. That's absolutely great. So it's from the website, look fantastic. But if we check on the Amazon listing, we can see it's the press buy box. We can see there's no buy box, so that's no good. We're checking it out now to see at what price the buy box would be. So looking at the Profitl data now, we can see the reason for the suppressed buy box. The seller is selling it for £49.99. Now, if we check the price graph, we can actually see that we would get the buy box price at around £20. So let's put £20 in there. And it's not too bad. So 31% ROI, £3.43 profit per unit. But we would want to do a little bit more digging on why there's zero FBA sellers. Sometimes products like this can be at risk of an IP complaint. It's always a bit alarming when you don't see other FBA sellers on the listing, but it could generally be that they have sold out. But this product doesn't look too bad on the surface, but we definitely just want to do a bit more digging. So next up, we have this moisturizing cleansing lotion. So let's load it up. So this one is from Notino. So this one is a multi-pack by the look of it. So this is obviously for two. It's selling for £28 at the moment. And we can buy one for £8.21. So I need to do the maths there. So one of these sets is going to be costing us £16.42. So let's have a quick look on Profitl to see how it's doing. Big alarm bell straight away. We've got an IP risk. I always stay away from all of these. It's not worth the risk. Some people will do a bit more due diligence and try and check it out, but me personally, I would stay away. So this one is no good. Okay, third product now. It's this bronzing powder. So this one is from Boots. Let's have a look at it and see how it looks. So we can buy this one for £18 and it is selling on Amazon for £32.50. So let's have a look on the extension. So not bad sales, 61 to 119 units a month. We've got a good return on investment, so 47% return on investment, estimated profit £8.54. Only 5 other FBA sellers on this listing. We'll just check the price just to see how the prices looked over last year, and it's been a pretty stable price, to be fair. It's at the lower end of its price, so we can, if we have a look, we can see it's definitely selling. That's not a problem at all, and it hasn't really dropped under £30 for this whole year. So yeah, this one doesn't look like a bad product at all. We have Red Dead Redemption, and this one is from Smith. So we can buy this for £15.99. It's currently selling on Amazon for £28.38. So let's load this up on the Profitl extension. So not bad sales, 90 to 179 units every single month. It's got good reviews, not a bad return on investment, 44%, estimated profit £7.05, and only 7 other FBA sellers. Let's check out the graph as well. We can see it has been cheaper, so that would be a little bit of a reason to be nervous about this one. So by the looks of it, it has been down to about £20. So if we check the price at £20, probably wouldn't be worth going for. So we probably would personally avoid this one. Some of our users would send these in. Obviously, there's no guarantee that price is going to come back down. Always down to your risk tolerance, but for us, we would skip this one. There's this Xbox One Minecraft game. So this is another one from Smith's, and we can buy it for £20.99. It's selling on Amazon for £37.50. So let's load it up on Profitl. So again, this one doesn't look too bad. Similar sales to the last one, 90 to 179 units a month. Lots of reviews. Return on investment, 47%, £9.77 profit per unit, and only 4 FBA sellers. So on this one, we can see that Amazon have previously been on this listing, so we'd be a little bit careful. They haven't been on it on a few months, but there's a very high chance they would come back. We try to avoid selling against Amazon, to be honest with you, unless we can definitely confirm that they share the buy box. Reason being is obviously they're going to be buying it for a lot cheaper than you are. They have a lot more wiggle room on their price. We would personally avoid this one. It's another game by the looks of it. So Crash Bandicoot. Let's see where this one's from. So this one's from Game Collection. So we can buy this one for £14.95, selling on Amazon for £27.38. So here we are, similar sales again. So these are all obviously around a similar popularity. So between 90 up to 179 sales a month. Good reviews, not a bad profit, 48% return on investment, £7.24. 11 FBA sellers, a little bit high for us, being honest. Let's check their actual stock. And while we're doing that, we'll check the pricing graphs. Hasn't really dropped below £27, and Amazon haven't previously been on this listing either, so this one doesn't look bad at all. We've got the competitors up just now. Looks like there's quite a few. There's only one actually with a large amount of stock, so this one, fifth on the list, it's got 40 in stock. 11 FBA sellers would usually be a bit high, but it does look like most of them are sold out, so this one isn't a bad deal at all. We're on deal 7 now. It's from Bargain Max. Unfortunately, this one is sold out, so it was $29.99. Selling numbers for £57.94, but as we can see, out of stock, so no go on this one. So the next deal is L'Oreal Healthy Look Instant Hair Gel from Boots, so let's load it up. So we can buy this on Boots for £5.99, and it's selling numbers for £15.89. So decent sales on this listing, 120 to 240. A great return on investment, 96%. Estimated profit per unit, £5.78. 12 FBA sellers, a little bit on the high side for us. It's a mix of stock, 10, 1, 9, 5, 2, 6, 5. So we haven't really got any seller in there who's buying at wholesale by the looks of it. They're probably all arbitrage sellers. So as long as we can be convinced that we can send it in and the price is going to hold and we've got a good chance of getting the buy box, there's no reason why we wouldn't go for this one. On to the next deal now, and it's this Carbon Protect Ice Fresh deodorant. It's actually a pack of 6, so we can buy it on Perfume Dreams for £1.89 each. Pack of 6 is selling for £21.99. So that means that pack of 6 will cost us £11.94. So let's work it out on Profitl to see if it's actually any good. So we'll put £11.94 in there. So not bad sales, 61 to 119 a month. Return on investment, 32%, not amazing. And obviously 30% is about our minimum. Profit per unit, £3.87, only 3 FBA sellers. So now on the graph, we can see that the average price over last year has been quite a bit lower. The buy box price has been about £17.86 on average over last year. £17.86 in there to see. I'd only get 3% ROI, so no good on this one. Unfortunately, it's just not worth the risk. There's a really high chance this price will come back down and we'll be selling it for basically a lot. Not worth the effort. It's another one from Boots. It's this L'Oreal gift set. So on Boots, we can buy this one for £6.49. It's currently selling on Amazon for £16.47. So let's have a look on Profitl. So sales, 31 to 59 sales a month. Not a bad return on investment, so 75% return on investment and an estimated profit per unit of £4.87. 9 FBA sellers, which is a little bit on the high side. And now if we do check the price graph, we can see Amazon have been on this listing and they've been selling it for quite a lot cheaper. So it looks to be about £12.50 to me. On average, but there obviously has been times that have been selling it for less, so we would stay away from this one just on that basis. Daily body and facial washing soap of some sort from the website Cocoon Center, which is a great website. £4.80 on here, selling for £12.95. So let's have a little look. So sales, 31 to 59 units a month. It's got great reviews, 92% return on investment. 2 big issues on this one straight away: IP risk and 21 FBA sellers. That is too much. The amount of stock, that's just too much. Too many people buying this product. But obviously the big one, the IP risk, there's a chance we'll get an IP violation for this product. Again, not worth the risk. Now, before we discuss the comparison, I did just want to let you know about an exclusive YouTube discount code for people looking to join Profitl, which can save you either 20% on monthly plans or 5% on yearly plans. I will link it just up here. So if you are looking to start your FBA journey, make sure to take that down. So we've now gone through all of the products and analyzed them as well. That was just very basic analyzing. If you were actually looking to buy products, you would be doing a bit more digging than we did. We didn't want to drag it out too much for this video. We hope that gave you a good insight on the sort of things we're looking for when we are actually analyzing FBA deals. Now, overall, it was mixed results. So obviously the one we paid $10 for was a waste of $10. We could only buy one of them and the price was way cheaper than it actually said. So it would be one we would avoid. So sadly for that one, that was no good. Now the more expensive deals where we got 12, well, we actually got 11. Some of the deals in there weren't too bad and they were definitely ones we would look to buy. Now, does that mean it's worth sourcing products using this method? We would say no. it's not cost effective at all. So what is the best way to find FBA deals? And the best way is to learn how to do it yourself. It's a fantastic skill to have. If you know what sort of websites to look at, where to look, what to avoid, and so on, it really does put you in a strong position with your Amazon FBA journey. If you are reliant on other people, it can really hinder. You don't know who them deals have been sent to, you don't know where they've been found. The important thing about product sourcing is having lots of choice. You don't want to just have 12 deals you've got and that's it. And that's why if you do source yourself, you will have more success. We have our Deal Finder platform where we help people find deals. But the key with it is that we're not giving people deals. We basically accumulate lots of potential deals. So we scrape all of the largest retailers in the UK and we put them in a central portal. You still have to actually find the good ones and know the basics of sourcing FBA deals. So overall, it was probably a bit of a waste of $75, $85. For $10 was definitely a waste. But overall, these are all products we could find ourselves quite easily. I don't think it would take us too much time to find deals like that. But we hope that showed there's lots of methods you can use to find your Amazon FBA deals. So if you are limited on time, there are always workarounds. But we hope you found that video interesting. If you did want to see more videos like this, please do let us know in the comments. And if you have any questions about Amazon FBA, let us know in the comments. Please do like and subscribe for videos like this every single Thursday. But thank you so much for watching and we will see you in the next one.